Hey everyone! Imagine you've just bought your first batch of Bitcoin on Gemini. You're excited, congratulations. But a thought creeps in, how exactly do you get that crypto out if you ever need it? Can you just withdraw it all at once and buy that dream car? The answer, like most things in the world of crypto, is, it depends. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Gemini withdrawals, exploring how much you can take out, what factors affect it, and some key things to keep in mind. So, how much can you withdraw from Gemini? There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. Gemini, like most crypto exchanges, imposes limits on how much you can withdraw based on your account verification level and chosen withdrawal method. Let's break it down. Verification levels. Gemini has tiered verification. The most basic level lets you buy and sell crypto up to a certain amount, but withdrawals are limited. Higher verification tiers progressively increase your withdrawal limits. Withdrawal methods. There are two main ways to get your money out of Gemini: bank transfers and wire transfers. Bank transfers are generally slower but have lower fees, while wire transfers are faster but come with a higher cost. The withdrawal limit for each method can also differ. Here's a sneak peek of what to expect. Remember, these are estimates. Always check Gemini's latest info. Basic verification. This level allows you to withdraw a few $1,000s per day via bank transfer. Full verification. This unlocks significantly higher limits, often reaching tens of thousands per day for bank transfers. Wire transfers might have even higher limits. Beyond limits, understanding holds and processing times. Even if you're within your withdrawal limit, there are a few other things to consider. Holds. Sometimes, Gemini might place a temporary hold on your funds, especially for new accounts or large withdrawals. This is a security measure to prevent fraud. Processing times. Don't expect instant withdrawals. Bank transfers can take several business days, while wire transfers are generally faster but still take some time. Pro tip: always double-check Gemini's latest withdrawal limits and fees before you initiate a withdrawal. These can change depending on market conditions and Gemini's own policies. Beyond the numbers, security matters. Security is paramount when dealing with crypto. Here are some additional points to remember. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA on your Gemini account. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Withdrawal addresses. Be super careful when entering your withdrawal address. One typo can mean your crypto is gone forever. Always double and triple check the address before confirming the withdrawal. Unusual activity. If Gemini detects unusual activity on your account, they might restrict withdrawals for security reasons. If this happens, contact Gemini support for clarification. Withdrawing crypto isn't brain surgery, but it's good practice to be informed. By understanding Gemini's withdrawal limits, processing times, and security measures, you can ensure a smooth and secure experience. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.